Welcome everyone to the pre-match press conference, FC Goa versus Al Seeb. We have Al Seeb head coach Tita Valeriu and player Nasser Arawagi. Welcome both of you to India first of all, to Goa. I'll start off with one question to both coach and player before throwing the floor open for questions from the media. So coach, could you share some comments about the match tomorrow?
I prefer to talk in language, Romanian language, because I have some problem with my family. Before 1 week, my brother dead, and from this I will talk in Romania, and Khalil in Scotch translate. Mâine este un meci de baraj pentru echipa noastră, dar și pentru echipa Goa. Un meci dificil, mai ales pentru noi, deoarece se joacă în fața spectatorilor locali, care îi va încuraja și va fi al 12-lea jucător.
Tomorrow it won't be an easy game. It will be a hard game, especially that Go FC will play in front of their fans and supporters, and the supporters will play a very big role in this game.
And for Nasser, please share your thoughts on tomorrow's game.
السلام عليكم. أول شيء شكرا على الاستضافة. نحن سعيدين بتواجدنا في جمهورية الهند، وإن شاء الله بكرة جاهزين نخوض مباراة، اللاعبين جاهزين ذهنيا وبدنيا، وإن شاء الله نفرح الجميع ويعني ب3 نقاط إن شاء الله.
Thank you all for coming. We are so happy being here in India. As the players and as the team, we are ready mentally and physically for this game, and I hope that we come back with the qualification.
We'll take some questions from the media. If we can see a raise of hands, one by one we'll go to each of you. If you have any questions, please raise your hands. Yeah.
Coach, I'm Marcus from the Times of India. I just wanted to understand what are your feelings or what are your thoughts about FC Goa as a team? How much have you watched them play maybe in the last season? Can you give your opinion about it?
Într-adevăr, Goa este o echipă puternică, am urmărit-o și anul trecut, care are câțiva jucători de mare valoare, unii care joacă în echipa națională, ceilalți sunt 6 jucători profesioniști de calitate, care trebuie să fim foarte atenți la ei, deoarece sunt jucători care pot să facă diferența în orice moment.
FC Goa is a good team. We already followed this team since last year. They have good players, especially the professional players. We should pay attention about this point, and in order to make a good game.
Next question, please raise your hands. If you have a question, yes sir.
What is the training in your league?
For us it's difficulty because pentru noi a început mai târziu pregătirea fizică și pregătirea pentru acest meci. Am avut la dispoziție doar o lună de zile.
For us it was a bit difficult because we started the preparation a little bit late. We had only 1 month in front of us to prepare the team.
Am avut doar un meci de Supercupă care ne-a prins total nepregătiți, decât cu 12 zile de pregătire, pe care am pierdut-o la penalti.
We played also in this period the Super Cup game, and the Super Cup game came at the same time with the preparation period, and we lost this game in penalty kicks.
Next question. Yes sir, please.
Cicero Silva from Hydra. Have you adapted to the weather conditions, or will that play a role in the game tomorrow?
Timpul este total diferit față de Oman.
Time is completely different, and everything is different from Oman.
Și temperatură și suprafața terenului.
Weather and also the condition of the ground.
De asta am venit cu 3 zile mai înainte pentru a ne adapta.
That's why we came 3 days before in order to adapt ourselves to these conditions.
Sper ca jucătorii să se adapteze mâine 100%.
And we hope that our players will be adapted 100% tomorrow for the game.
Deoarece
as you said, you lost a match in the final against Al Shabab in the Women's World Cup final. How would you rate your team's performance right now, and what is the mentality that you have for tomorrow's match?
Am spus mai înainte, va fi un meci dificil, deoarece Goa este o echipă care are mare forță în atac, deoarece au jucători care pot face diferența.
I already said before that Goa is a strong team, especially in the offensive part. They have a good players and they can make the difference.
Pentru mine a fost o perioadă scurtă de adaptare, deoarece n-am decât o lună de zile.
For me, it was a short period for me to adapt the players and to prepare them because we had only 1 month to prepare the team.
Am pierdut într-adevăr finala, dar am controlat meciul, am dominat meciul.
We lost the Super Cup, but we dominated the whole game
Cu o posesie bună,
with a good position.
dar trebuie să fim mâine atenți, deoarece este mare diferență între Shabab și Algo.
But tomorrow we need to pay attention because there is a difference between the game that we played against Shabab and the game that we're going to play tomorrow against Goa.
Goa is more strong, e mult mai puternică,
So Goa is different, is a more strong team
jucători care pot face diferența în orice moment.
with players that they can make the difference at any time.
Next question is, sir.
How many foreigners you got in your school?
În Oman este total diferit, deoarece acest club se axează mai mult pe jucători locali, talentați și de echipă națională.
In Oman, it's completely different from here because in Oman they count more about local players.
And, cu noi nu avem decât un jucător în centrul atacului.
And with us, we have only 1 foreign players in attacking position.
Next question.
A number of your players play for the Oman national team. Any specific player you will be looking to depend on for tomorrow?
Sunt mulți jucători care au experiența competițională, deoarece Shib a câștigat în ultimii 5 ani multe trofee și au jucat în Cupa Asiei.
A lot of players from our squad, they have a big experience since they are playing in the national team, and this is the reason why Al Sip, our club, won a lot of trophies in the last 5 years.
Next question, yes.
Yeah, Nasser, last year Al-Sip played in the AFC Challenge League and they lost in the quarterfinals. How important is it for the team to be playing in the AFC Champions League?
Pot să răspund eu în locul lui?
He can answer in his instead of him.
Yeah.
În cupele Asiei, că e Challenge Cup ori Champions League, este total diferit față de campionat.
So the Challenge League and the Champions League is totally different from the league, the local league.
Experiența competițională în această competiție, adică jocurile jucate, îți dă mai multă tărie de caracter.
This kind of games, the Asian competitions, it gives you more strong personality and good experience better than local league.
Asta este o cauză care mă face să-mi dea încredere,
This is one of the reasons that gives me more confidence.
dar să ținem cont că și al Goa are experiență.
But we don't have to forget that also Goa have experience.
Yes, sir.
What do you feel about particular pitches?
About?
Pitch.
Nu l-am văzut până acum.
We didn't see it till now.
I have training 7:30.
We have first training in this pitch today at 7:30. First training.
Next question, ma'am.
You won the cup 3 years ago, okay? Do you think there's mental pressure on you all to try to win this game at any cost? Trying to go ahead?
No. Meciul este deschis pentru orice rezultat.
Game is open for any result.
Avantaj este pentru echipa locală.
The advantage also is for the local team because they play in their ground.
În fața spectatorilor care sigur îi va împinge de la spate, ca al 12-lea jucător.
And also in front of their fans because they're gonna push them.
Este meci dificil pentru echipa noastră. Sper ca jucătorii să treacă peste această atmosferă.
It will be a hard game for us, so we hope that our players will skip this hard atmosphere and do a good job.
We can take 2 more questions if you have. Yes, sir.
For Nasser, how is the chemistry between you, the attackers, Abu Kamara and Al Salah? So how do you all combine together?
العلاقة كعلاقة أخوان، نحن نساعد بعض، هو يساعدني وأنا أساعده، يعني الجميع منا يستفيد.
The relation between us, we are like brothers, we are like a family. We learn from each other, we help each other, and we play for a single colors and single team.
Okay, if there are no further questions, we'll have this part of the press conference. Thank you, coach. Thank you, Nasir, for joining us today.
Thank you
All the
very
best
much.
for tomorrow.
And thank you very much.